verder over de veiligheid aan boord. En wij zullen overige mededelingen alleen in het Engels doen.
In my mind, in my head, this is where we all came from. The dreams we had, the love we shared, this is what we're waiting for. In my mind, in my head.
Okay, I just made it to Turkey and I'm just waiting right now for the bus. I think it's gonna be straightforward. The weather is amazing. I still, I think, need to wear a jacket, I think. I think the only disadvantage I've had so far is that my luggage took a long time to arrive. Almost thought that I'd lost it. The good news is they managed to find it on time. So, over and out. Just made it here into the center, kind of. I'm on the Asian side of Istanbul and I'm about to head off to the European side. Thanks to a really nice guy who actually explained exactly how to get here, but it's quite easy. So anyways, let's check out the bureau.
This is where we all came from. The dreams we had, the love we shared, this is what we're waiting for.
Check me out. I am going from Asia right now to Europe in just a few minutes. So yeah, it's moments like this that feel so surreal, and I gotta say it's only been a few hours here in Turkey, in Istanbul, and the people have been outstanding. Like, they're so kind, so friendly. They go out of their way just to show you how to use their public transportation or where to go and what to do. Yeah, it's amazing. I really can't believe it. They've even made exceptions for me to put my GoPro up on their actual display just so that I can get the shot. So yeah, over and out.